Okay. So this is the working of screen number 1. In screen number 1, we run script. Here you can see it practically. When we run, 2 changes occurred in screen number 2 and in screen number 3. Sorry, screen number 4. So screen number 4 shows us the plot or graph or visualization of any type of graph or plot. So no, today class topic is how to import Excel file in R. So our today question is how to import Excel file in R. Please all participants let me know your field of study. It is just one message like biology, economics, stat, or any other field. It is just one message. Your field of study is biology, ecology, chemistry, physics. Just type one word, agriculture. Next participant, please. Microbiology. Next, please. Because I am going to give examples of daily life according to your field of study. So I mostly give you examples for about car and your biological lab. So R is very, very similar to car and for biological lab. Okay. Now, in our today class, we will learn how to import Excel file in R. For example, Dr. Zahirul Islam, for example, Dr. Zahirul Islam is a postdoctorate scholar and he is sitting with his supervisor. His supervisor have a beaker with any solution. And his supervisor say, Dr. Zahirul Islam, please find the iron concentration in this sample. Okay. The first question should be arised in Dr. Zahirul Islam mind is which instrument will be used for iron concentration. Similarly, when his supervisor say please find the temperature of the sample. The first question, which instrument should be used? So in previous case, his supervisor replied, you need atomic absorption spectrophotometer for iron concentration. And in second question, his supervisor replied, you need to thermometer for calculating or for measuring its temperature. Similarly, when you work in R, similarly as in biological lab, there are a different instrument, and each and every instrument have different function, different role. Like PCR is used for polymerase chain reaction, gel electrophoresis, microscope, atomic absorption spectrophotometer, pH meter, thermometer, spectrophotometer, and all these instruments have different function. If you want to need to observe any microorganism, you need microscope. And if you want to travel from one place to other place, you need a car, a gadi, a vehicle. Similarly, in the case of R, when you perform any task, you need an instrument. No, for example, no, Mr. Dr. Zahirul Islam, supervisor, say that here is a file named ficus in your laptop. I show you. Here is a file named ficus, and I already have sent this file in WhatsApp group. So all participants download this file and save it on your desktop. Here is a ficus file. Dr. Zahirul Islam, supervisor, say that please import this file in your RStudio. Import this file in your RStudio. The first question should be arised in Dr. Zahirul Islam mind is which instrument will be used? Which instrument will be used to import ficus file from laptop to RStudio? The second option, when? His supervisor again say that please draw a dendrogram. The first question should be arised, which instrument will be used to create a dendrogram? Okay. Similarly, as in biological lab, there are different type of the instruments. In biological lab, similarly in RStudio, these instruments are known as packages. So in our biological lab, we say them instruments, while in RStudio lab, you can say these are packages. Now, if you know when you do practice, you will be able to do, or you will be able to understand more. So we need instrument. So our today task is how to import Excel file in R. So the first question should be arise in your mind. The first question should be arise in your mind. Which package will be used for this? Which package will be used for this? His supervisor replied that is a package or an instrument named read Excel is used for importing file. No, its answer is read Excel. Read Excel is a package name. Similarly, in the case of a biological lab, when your supervisor say that, please find iron concentration, the first question should be arise in your mind, which instrument will be used? Similarly, when you work on R, no, your supervisor say, please import ficus file in global environment. The first question should be arise in your mind is which package will be used for this, or which instrument will be used for this. We say in the case of biological lab, these are instrument, while when we are working in RStudio lab, we say them these are the packages. So packages and instruments are same. So this instrument will be used to import Excel file from our desktop to R. So no, here I tell you a very small story, and then I correlate it with packages, then you will be able to understand it more easily. Now, when Dr. Zahir Islam supervisor say, please find its iron concentration. The first question should be arised in Zahir Islam's mind is which package will be used. No, he asked a question, sir, which instrument I used for iron concentration? His supervisor replied that, please, you can use atomic absorption spectrophotometer. No, he take sample and go to lab, and no, within lab, he need to search a package, search an instrument. He search because he is a new student in this lab. He searched in this lab but unable to find atomic absorption spectrophotometer in all labs in this department. He come back to his supervisor again and say, sir, there is no instrument named atomic absorption spectrophotometer. He say, his supervisor say, please contact with your lab attendant. Again, Dr. Zahirul Islam come to lab attendant and asked him, sir, where is atomic absorption spectrophotometer? He replied, we have no atomic absorption spectrophotometer in our lab. No, he again come back to your supervisor, to his supervisor, and say, sir, there is no atomic absorption spectrophotometer in our lab. No, his supervisor says, please write an application to the head of the department and request him, please buy a new atomic absorption spectrophotometer for our lab. Okay, no, this is a story for biological lab. No, move to RStudio lab. Again, same story. Dr. Zahirul Islam is with his supervisor. His supervisor say, please import this file, import this ficus file in RStudio. In RStudio. The first question should be arised in Zahirul Islam mind. Anyone can tell me which question should be arise in Dr. Zahirul Islam minds? The question arise should be arise which package will be used. His supervisor replied that here we used read Excel. No. No, please find Zahirul Islam, come on screen RStudio screens. Find here where is read Excel. Please let me know if you find where is read Excel. So he check here file. There is no word read Excel, edit, there is no read Excel, code, and find anywhere in this screen. But he is unable to find read Excel package, read Excel instrument. He again come back to his supervisor and say, sir, there is no, I am unable to find read Excel in RStudio lab. No, his supervisor say, please contact with lab attendant. No, or lab supervisor. No, in screen number 4. In the case of R, lab supervisor is sitting in screen number 4. And here is its computer and search bar. So all participants come on screen number 4. No, Dr. Zahirul Islam asking for read Excel from lab supervisor, and their lab supervisor replied, please search your package, your machine in this or in my computer. Here is a search bar. Come on screen number 4. Here is a first is file, second is plot, third is packages. Click on packages and type here read Excel and check read Excel is found in your RStudio lab or not. In my case, it is showing read Excel. Please all participants type here read Excel and let me know. All participants please type here read Excel and let me know it's showing or not. If showing, type yes. If not showing, type no. Please type read Excel in search bar. If you find read Excel below, type yes. If you unable to find here, type no. All participants, please. Just Dr. Nazar Hussain replied no. Please, all participants, if you found, type yes. And if you found no, type no. Okay. No, if you unable to find here, it's mean this machine is not in your RStudio lab. This machine is not in your RStudio lab. No, you again come back to your supervisor and say, sir, there is no package name read Excel in our RStudio lab. No, his supervisor replied that please write an application to HOD, to head of department, and ask him please buy this instrument for us. No, we need to open install button within below package update, and with the update here is a button install. Just click on this button. Here you can see 3 options. One is install from, second is packages, and third is install to library. So type here packages, read Excel, and press the button install. It's showing that or you want to restart or prepare to install. Yes. So Dr. Nazir, When you type install, a red dot appear, and here you can see warning message, and then your installation will be start. Great, sir. Dr. Nazar Hussain have installed this package? No. In my case, I have successfully. It show that package read Excel successfully unpacked and MD5 sum checked. No. No, we have an instrument name read Excel. No, similarly in biological lab, when you want to use any specific instrument, for example, you want to use PCR, first you need to turn on PCR. If you want to use spectrophotometer, you need to turn on spectrophotometer. When you want to use any other instrument, you need to turn on this instrument. Then you will be able to do work on it. Similarly, in R, when you want to do any work with any package or instrument, you will need to turn on this package. So uh, in first day, I type here hashtag because R is a language and each language have its vocabulary. So hashtag mean heading. In our previous class, I have cleared it. Hashtag mean heading. No, we are going to learn another word which is related to our language, that is library. Here is a library. Library mean turn on. I'm getting heading. Library mean turn on. So when you want to turn on your machine or instrument, you need to do library. Type library, and within library, type package name read Excel. It's mean we want to activate or turn on read Excel package and run it. No, our package is activated and you can see a tick mark is appeared with read Excel. When you run this library read Excel, a tick mark appeared with read Excel box. No, I clear this now. No, it's showing that environment is empty. It's showing that environment is empty. No. Click on import dataset from Excel. Please, I think Dr. Nazar Hussain have a read Excel. No, please import dataset from Excel. Click on browse button. Select file. Ficus file. And then import. No, you will get Ficus file in screen number 1 as well as in screen number 3. So Dr. Nazar Hussain, please run this step, import Ficus file and type done. Dr. Nazar Hussain, kindly let me know, have you import file or not? Please, can you share your screen? Hello. Please, if you facing any issue, let me know. I will resolve your issue live. Okay, please can you share your screen? I will perform this step on your screen. If you can share your screen, I allow you. Nazar Hussain, please share your screen. Okay, I will repeat this step again. I think there is an issue. You are unable to share your screen. I will repeat this step again. After installation Redexcel, you need to come on screen number 3. On screen number 3, you can see here is a button import dataset. And below the history is a button import dataset. Click on it, import dataset. Select here from Excel. When you select Excel, it will bring you on another window. Browse this, find your file location. Select ficus file. And press import button. Now your file imported into your RStudio. You can see its preview on 2 screens, in screen number 1 and screen number 3. Screen number 3 show its summary, that is 150 observation and 5 variables, while screen number 1 show its full detail, its column, its rows name, each and everything you can see in it. Screen number in screen number 1. Please hope you have got it. Okay. Because in this batch there are, I think, 3 participants. It is my first batch which are in 3 participants, but my mostly batches I show you have a lot of participants. Today class is no end, but I am going to show something more because only 3 participants and 2 participants have no laptop there. have no laptop and are unable to do live practice. So because it is a live practice session, so we need to live practice. So I am going slow, step by step. Uh, so when you get your laptop, and then we will uh, continue and will do practice uh, continuously. So you can say I show you my 23 batch. It consists of sorry, it consists of 18 members, 17 member. So one is me and other is so it is mostly from Bangladesh, Pakistan, and China. My another batch is that is 21, batch number 21. There is a registered participant batch. It consists of 46 participant, 46 member. So similarly, all batches have consist of lot of participants, but this is my first batch with 3 participants. So no worry, no issue. It is a better chance you will get more as compared to other batches because you are just 3 and you have more chance for question answering, for discussion, and for learning as compared to a large group. And thank you, Dr. Zahirul Islam. And that's why many participants are joining, but unfortunately, this batch is very uh, I announced just 1 day or 2 day announcement and have joined many participants, but at the end, why I don't know why many maximum participant not want to join, but hope no issue. They will join inshallah in next batches. So not our today class is going to end. That's why because I already explained due to Zahirul Islam have no laptop. Similarly, one member is showing iPhone have no laptop and unable to do live practice. Just Dr. Nazar Saib is going to is practicing live. So please hope you will get your laptop tomorrow, and then we will do practice live continuously. And thank you, our respected participant. Allah Hafiz, and please also share your comments about today class in group.